Hi y'all, it's Brittney here. So I just came into Desert Sage to make my infused oils for my upcoming body care making class, essential oil. So we're gonna do lots of fun things. There are more topical things for the holidays, like our lotion and our body butter. We're gonna do a healing salve, lip balm, sugar scrub, a pain gel, all kinds of fun stuff. So I wanted to share with you the beginning stages of making our incredible lotion and body butter. But let me first tell you the difference between what is the difference between a lotion and body butter. So lotion, when we'll be teaching about lotion, it's going to be adding liquids to oils and solid oils. So it's a little bit different. There are some issues with adding waters and liquids to oils. Potentially, there's more reason that it could go bad a lot quicker because remember, you're adding water to oil. Also, you need an emulsifier with it. So it's really delicious for your skin. But my favorite, so that's my mom's favorite. My favorite is the body butter, and the body butter, you don't add any liquids to it, so it does last longer. Now I am super dry, so the body butter is my favorite, but we're going to be putting the rose infused oil in both the lotion and the body butter. So we got to prepare this before our class in a few weeks. This is our all-day class just coming up. So we have the most beautiful organic rose petals. So these are dried, but they are so aromatic. So I put 3/4 of a cup, a little heaping, 3/4 of a cup of our organic rose petals, and then we're going to use sesame oil. Sesame oil is fantastic for dry skin and to protect against anti-aging and sun damage. It's very absorbable and it's wonderful for all the doshas. What does a dosha mean? So that's all the different types of body types that are kind of classified in Ayurvedic medicine. So it's really balancing to our body. So we're going to add 1.5 cups, which is 12 squirts. So I'm just going to squirt this in here, make sure it doesn't fly out. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. So you want to make sure that the oil is going to cover the herbs because you don't want to have any bacteria or anything like that. So, oh my gosh, look how gorgeous this is. This is going to be so amazing. So this is going to be just love. I feel like it's filled with so much love. So we're just going to think loving thoughts, shake. And every day we're going to shake this oil thinking about good thoughts, right? We're going to put some loving thoughts into this lotion and body butter that we're going to make. Always make sure, don't forget, make a label so you remember what you put in it. I probably should put the date on there too. People, I'm going to go inside and put the date on. So we're going to put that on there. And there you go. We have the start of our infused oil. So I'm so excited if some of you are going to come here to be with our class with me and my mom. Oh, and Sienna's going to be there too, assisting. And then if you're interested in making your own oil, you can purchase some of these amazing rose petals. They are so gorgeous and make our teas look amazing too. So thank you so much. Leave any comments or questions down below and hope to see you all soon. Bye for now.